Hey, Keith Carty with Dirty Deeds Industries. Today we're going to show you how to install our resonator delete on an 07 to 21 LX570 and 08 to 22 Land Cruiser 200. All right, so we've created a way to delete this big, huge resonator from Toyota in a slip-on option that's inexpensive for what it is, but still very effective. It's stainless steel. You cut the stock resonator and this slips in its place, clamped on with the clamp provided, includes a quarter wave acoustical stub resonator, and the dump is in the exact same location as stock, using the stock hanger locations. All right, so we're gonna measure from our stopper to 1.5 inches. All right, cool, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and cut this off. All right, so we went ahead and we took one more pie cut out of the tailpipe. It needs to basically look like it's coming out straight. All right, so we're gonna slip in the back first. And the front hanger. Push it on as far as it'll go. Center the hanger, the rubber grommet. We'll go ahead and put on the 3-inch U-bolt clamp. All right, so it's completely installed now. As you can see, we include a U-bolt 3-inch clamp. It's important that after you make your cut, that it's pretty well shooting straight out, because this cut needs to be, the pipe section here needs to be basically pointing straight out, so that this sits in there right. And then you have to bottom out our part onto the stock tailpipe, bottom it out as far as it'll go, and then hold it in its position while you tighten down on the U-bolt clamp, in order to make sure that your gap ends up correct here. So in other words, it's fully adjustable. You just have to adjust it as you go. Any questions, give me a call, 760-877-4234.